Hi, this is Dustin with Allwoods. We just got done installing this 6-foot tall cedar privacy fence with horizontal pickets and a top cap. This project here was about 450 linear feet. We did large amounts of tree removal to add spaces for the fence to go into. There was large boulders that we had to work around. There was 3 gates installed, all custom built on site. This is one of the gates we built on site. This one here is an 8-foot wide double gate. So both sides of this gate open and close. This is a look at the backside of the cedar gate. With this style of fence and gate, this door can open at any time. Well, this one remains locked, but if you do want to open this one, your drop rod, now both open.